Hello friends, welcome you all to the code world. So in previous video we have seen what about the decision making statement, that is if else and if else statement. So if you have not watched, please go and watch it on. So in this today's video we are going to see a loops, what is loops and why we use the loops. So basically a loop statement allows us to execute a statement or a group of statement multiple times. Okay, it form a looping in that. So there are basically two type of loops, that is while loop and for loop. So while loop, what it do, repeat a statement or group of statement while a given condition is true. It tests the condition before executing the loop body. Okay, the main thing is this: it tests the condition before executing the loop body. And for loop, what do it execute a statement of a sequence of statement multiple times and abbreviate the code that manage the loop variable. Okay, so what it for loop do, it also basically it see the statement or a condition, and by seeing that statement, if statement is true, then it execute at that time. Okay, so you can see the while loop statement syntax. So while, then condition, then statement. Okay, so let's take an example. Let's take any example. We can say let's count. Okay, let's take an example of count. So first of all, I will define count equals to 0. Okay, I have assigned a variable with the name of count and assigning a value with to a variable count as 0. Okay, so after that I will take a while loop. While while then statement, what I will give the statement if count is less than 9. Okay, if count is less than 9, then what you should do. Okay, so what you should do, if count is less than 9, then print, you should get print count is, and here we will put the count. Okay, so and after that what we will do, we will increase the count. Okay, count equals to count plus 1. Okay, you can do like this, or otherwise you can do like this also. You can do like this also. Count plus equals to 1 directly, then it should be correct. Okay, count plus equals to directly. And after, if loop is ended, if loop is completed, then print goodbye. Okay, so let's execute this and see what happening behind it. So here you can see, first of all I have assigned a variable with the name of count and assign a value to 0. Okay, then I have taken the while statement, while loop, and assigned count should be less than 9 if and only if count is less than 9. So first of all, at the first time execution, count is equal to 0 and count is of course less than 9, then it will print count 0. Okay, then I will increase it by 1, so now the count will be 1. Okay, so at another time it will return to this again here, and see count is 1 and less than 9. Yes, it is less than 9, then again it will print count equal is 1, and again I will increase the count with 1. And now finally count is 2, so again it will goes here and stay condition, and see count 2 is less than 9. Yes, 2 is less than 9, so again it will print like this, and it will goes on. At last it will see 8. 8 is less than 9, and then print it and count equals to increase by 1, so 9. So now count will be 9. So now 9 is less than 9, no, 9 is not less than 9, 9 equal to 9. Okay, so it will not print 9, and afterward, while completing this while loop, it will go come out and print goodbye. Okay, so this is how while work. Okay, so let's move toward the what is for loop. So syntax of for loop is like for iterating variable in sequence, means anything for a sequence. And now statement. Okay, so you can take like anything. So I will print number only. So for I in range. So first of all, let's take 5. So first of all, let me explain what is the range. What is range? So if you take a range till 5, and I want to print it, print range till 5. So you can see here printing range 0 to 5, means it will start from 0 and end till 5. You will not include the 5 until 4, means 0 to 4 it is 5. Like let's count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it is 5 variable. It will go only till 4, not 5. Okay, so what here I am taking for I in range of 5. Okay, so it will range will what do, it will count till 4. Okay, and pass it to into, first of all it count it till 4 first time, and pass it 0 equals to, I means I equals to 0. Okay, assign the value to the I. So and now I will print like value of I is, and afterward I put I. If this statement loop is exit, then print goodbye. Let's execute this code. So you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Till 4 only it will execute. It will not execute till 5. Okay, and afterward it will print goodbye. This is how for loop is work. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you will understand about the loops and how it work and how to use it. Okay, thank you very much.